Hi friends, welcome to a new video. Have you ever tried almond milk but never felt confident enough to make it at home? And store-bought versions often taste different and have little to no real nutrients. Well, today you'll not only see how easy it is to make almond milk at home, but I'll also show you 2 creative ways to make the most of it, using only natural ingredients. This is Nutri-Intelligence. Let's get started. Here I have 80 grams of almonds in a bowl. Before we make the milk, we need to activate or soak them in water. This removes anti-nutrients that block nutrient absorption. You should do this with all nuts you consume. Soak them for 8 hours or overnight. You can change the water if it darkens. This process also makes it easier to remove the skin, which has a bitter taste. Did you know that almonds are a powerful antioxidant thanks to their vitamin E content? Vitamin E is great for your skin, eyes, and immune system. They also contain magnesium, which helps relax muscles and nerves. And thanks to their high fiber, they help control appetite by making you feel full. Now that more than 8 hours have passed, we rinse the almonds and you'll see they've grown in size. They look much bigger, and now it's easier to peel off the skin. So we remove all the skins and rinse again. Here's what peeled almonds look like, nice and white. Now, in a blender, we add the almonds and 3 small cups of water. Blend until smooth. Then, using a bowl and a strainer, we separate the milk from the pulp. This leftover almond pulp, called almond meal or akara, is perfect for desserts or baking recipes. And there you have it, homemade almond milk made from soaked, activated almonds. It's best to drink it as fresh as possible, the same day or by the next at the latest. It's 100% natural, homemade, with no artificial flavors, no preservatives, and no sugar. It's perfect to drink straight or to mix with other recipes. Honestly, it tastes surprisingly close to cow's milk, barely any difference. It's mild, smooth, and delicious, highly recommended. With 80 grams of almonds, you get about 1.5 cups of milk. So, what can we do with this almond milk? Here's a quick and easy recipe. I've got some bananas here, and we're going to make a super energizing smoothie. Add 3 bananas, pour in almond milk, and add 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. Throw in some ice cubes to chill it. Blend and taste. I'm going to add a bit more almond milk and just a touch more cocoa powder. Blend again and it's ready. It's seriously good. You don't even need to add sugar. The banana makes it perfectly sweet. This smoothie makes about 3 glasses. It's honestly surprising how good it tastes. I used to prefer coconut milk because I never liked store-bought almond milk. I found the taste unpleasant, so I avoided it completely. But now that I've made it at home, I can tell you, the difference is incredible. It tastes nothing like the boxed versions I used to know. Homemade almond milk is on a whole different level. It's literally just water and almonds, and it's so good, too delicious not to try. The almond flavor is subtle, and the combo is perfect. It leaves you feeling satisfied and is a great lactose-free option to start your day. Lastly, let's use the almond pulp left from the milk. Here I have some organic coconut oil. I'll add half a teaspoon, plus a pinch of your favorite natural sweetener. This step is optional. I'm using panela, which is whole cane sugar. Mix everything together well. Here's how it looks. I also had some cacao coins, so I'm tossing them in too. Heat up a pan with coconut oil and pour in the mixture. You could also use an air fryer with a small dish, or a regular oven if you're making more. This time, I'll use just the pan since it's a small amount. Let it brown slightly. After a few minutes, it's ready, toasted and crunchy. You can eat it on its own, add fruit, or use it as a filling for desserts. It's like a light, natural homemade granola, tasty, quick, and easy. And best of all, nothing goes to waste. So there you have it, a lactose-free, protein-rich alternative. Just 80 grams of almonds makes a lot. I hope you loved this recipe. If it helped you, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell for notifications. Try it and let me know what you think in the comments. This is Nutri-Intelligence. See you next time.